So we will start present our group project of SQIT1013 programming in business application. So we are from group 3. Let's start our presentation. So we have three group members: Chung Pui Sien with metric number 291969, Trajayin 292050, and Bian Ching 292305.
Now I want to explain the description of our business application. We are a crystal company. To better manage our crystal inventory, we use the Visual Basic to make a crystal inventory management system to simplify and optimize the inventory management process of our business. The objective of us is to address the challenges and complexity associated with inventory management, providing businesses with comprehensive, effective, and user-friendly solutions to effectively manage inventory. And the last one is to improve inventory accuracy, increase operation efficiency, optimize inventory level, and to ultimately lead the better financial result.
So next is the text file. The first picture is the credential files in our company. The first column is the user ID and the second column is password. So here are three admin in our Crystal company. This file is to check whether the user ID and the password is can log in or not. So the second picture is the input file. The first column is item code. The second column is item name. The third column is unit price. The first column is quantity and the last column is the types of jewelry. So here are 10 items informations in our Crystal inventory management system. So next is the interface of our system. Here is the form one interface. So first is the welcome to Crystal inventory management system is use label, user ID, password, and the user is required to key in their user ID and password in the text box and click the login button to next to the next form. So here's the interface for form 2. We use label, which is item code, item name, unit price, quantity, and types of jewelry. And we use the text box for the user to key in their data. And we use the button add, update, delete, back, and save button. And then all the informations of our items are displayed in data grid view. So come to the last interface, which in Form 3, we use data grid view to see all the data from our text file. And here have the button for view all data and total inventory value. Use label to display the inventory value. And we have search keyword label and we have the text box for the user to key in the keyword and have search button, back button, and exit the button, which is exit of the system.
Now we are going to flowchart. The diagram below shows the flowchart for our program. We start with the symbol start, then form 1, form 2, after that form 3, and finally end with the symbol end. The details will be explained in the following presentation.
First, we want to log in into the account. In Form 1 is the Crystal Inventory Management System. User is required to key in the user ID and password. If the user ID and password is found in the credential file, then login is successful. Otherwise, login is unsuccessful. Next, come to Form 2. User can key in all the data information, which is item code, item name, unit price, quantity, and type of jewelry. After finish fill all the information, user can click Add to add another item.
Now we are going to form 2 to update, delete, and save data. If the user want to update the data, they can just press on the row which they want to edit and correct the information on the left-hand side text box. After correct it, just press the button update. The latest information will show in the data grid view. Below is the example of updating data. On the left-hand side is before update, which the price is 90 ringgit for the item, and the right-hand side is after update, which the price is updated to 85 ringgit for the item. If the user want to delete the data, just click on the row which they want to delete and press the button delete. The data will remove from the data grid view. Below is the example before and after deleting the information for N012. Then is to save the data. When the button save is pressed, all the data will save and the message box data save successful will pop up. Then will navigate you to the next form.
So next come to the form 3, the user can view all the data have been saved in the text file by clicking the view all data button. At the same time, the system will auto shows the total inventory value of all the items, which is summation of quantity multiplied by the unit price. So here are the total inventory value of Rm 18,560 ringgit. So the red circle here shows which part of the code that we use to read the data from our text file. So next come to the search function. We also can search for the item by clicking the search button, and the user is first need to key in the keyword in the text box. And for example, the first picture is we search the earring keyword, and here are two results shows in the data grid view, which is the ruby and highlight earrings. And the total inventory value will change to um, 1,650 ringgit. And next is the second picture. We search for the ruby keyword, and there are also two results shows in the data grid view. One is the ruby earrings and the ruby ring with the total inventory value 1,830 ringgit. So the blue circle here is the code that we use to find the items that we save in the text file. So that's all for our presentation. Thank you.